Welcome back to Bals fishing. Me and my mate Adam decided to fish a little lake called Albany Farm. Lovely little lake, only £15 for 2 rods. We done the day ticket. Adam done a little bit of pre-baiting the night before and it paid off because I was running around straight away. He was into a carp. Luckily I had me waders on because I was taking a dip, but I did do them up and ended up getting wet feet anyway.
Yeah? Yeah, quick. Make sure you get it, please. Huh? Oh, you got it? Yeah, have you? Yes. And I got soaked. Huh? Ah, it's worth it for my first carp.
How long was that out for?
10 minutes.
Fucking hell.
Baited here last night.
Oh, I'm going. Didn't even get a chance to run round the first time. I literally got to me swim. I haven't even cast out a rod yet and ran back. Halfway round, he gives me the hurry up. Are you taking the piss? Yes, Adam.
Sorry, you ain't got to go in this one. It's only small, but...
You've just made me run round here for a pasty.
No, but I couldn't get the net.
Right, you got to...
I think you should go on that swing and just cast on the corner of the island.
Luckily I didn't listen to him because what was to follow was an absolute unit. A proper special Park Lake common.
Tench don't fight that hard.
That's a tench.
Huh?
That's a tench. Tench are...
Oh, it is.
It's a tench. Yeah. That's a fucking lovely tench. Yeah, man.
That's a park bench.
He's got a park bench.
Adam ended up catching 2 park benches. Absolute lovely tench. Tench don't fight that hard, do That's pucker.
Yeah. Let's have a look at that. The other one's on a back lid.
You made them coffee shit?
No, I had a chance, right?
Ah, look at that. Joking around, he hadn't even had time to make a cup of tea.
That's about £5.
That's pucker, right?
Look at that hook hole.
Good hook hold, mate. Right, let me run back round.
Look at that hook hole, Bal.
Let me run back round. Time to get me rods out. PVA bag, yellow pineapple pop-ups. Couple of spods over the top. Bit of goo as well. La Boche.
First one of the day.
I've got decent fish on.
First day of the day.
Not expecting nothing massive. The first fish did feel really good. Then it started tugging. Then I realised, hang on a minute, I was into something special here.
Is that going to go for you? Huh?
Decent common, right?
I'll get round there, Bal.
Oh, look.
Stay still when you're doing that, bro.
No, it's a £12 common, £14 common.
Try doubling it. £12–14 common, he said.
Yeah, I'll tell you what, this ain't a bad, decent little lake for £100 a day ticket, Bal.
This is fucking putting up so far.
Yeah, but just let it fly, innit? Oh, wow.
So for 15 quid, you can't go wrong. Catching Park Lake bangers.
What's me that, Bob?
Wow. That's a 20, isn't it? No.
Yeah, that's 20.
Eh?
That's 20.
Show me that. Ah, God. No, it's dog, man.
Stay. Oh, mate. That's fun.
Over the moon to say the least. An absolute Park Lake beauty. Proper belly. She weighed £28, 4 ounces. And of course, my daughter wanted to have an hold. She's not new to carp fishing and she knows how to hold a carp. But Daddy was there just to make sure she could hold the big girl.
I got it. You let go.
Fishing don't get much better than this. Watching them go back.
Leave her alone. Stay there now. Sit. Stay. 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 Stay.
Woo! Giving it one last hurrah. It's about 12 o'clock now. I pack up and leave around 3. Nice early one for a Sunday dinner. But my daughter ends up catching this nice little fiery one. I reckon we could have had a couple more if we would have stayed a bit later. It looked really good for another bite or two. Lovely little Park Lake carp. All the swims have gates and fences built in round it with chicken wire. Perfect for me and my boy Logan. We'll definitely be coming back again. Nice tidy little lake. 15 quid. Response bait, Albany Farms. Can't go wrong.